Sorry, hello kids, all ages, you're about to see some weirdness. Okay, so anyways, my name is Chef PP. We're gonna kill this child right here. If you want to see, if you're a fan of Chewbacca. Anyways, no, please don't, shut up! Okay, anyways, like I was saying, do this at home, please. And anyways, who's saying Landon? And who cares? So anyways, so next, sorry guys, I had to get rid of that. So now we're gonna kill this child, like I said. He's a brat, and we're gonna have meat. So, let's kill him. Oh, that hurts. Oh, that hurt. Oh. Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Right now! My name is Brooklyn T Guy. And you're jaywalking across the street. You know that, right? Anyways, I am Brooklyn T Guy, and today, this clip is about arresting someone.
Wait a minute.
What?
You're not a cop.
Well, now I am.
Then why aren't you wearing a cop suit?
Still, they hired me. I just haven't got my uniform yet. It's still, you're going to jail. Come on. Come on, get up, get up. You are going to jail. Yeah. I actually did that on purpose. Where's the camera falling anyways? It's a Saturday morning. It's dirty! I better get changed. Wow, that hurt. Wait, I'm already changed. Come on, sucker. Ow. Okay, I'm ready for work. Wow, I can't believe I found this outside. Ugh, come on. You need to... What the... Where did you find that? I found it outside. You find nothing outside. Look. What did you use? What are you going to use this for? To cut pizza. That's all you eat, really. But you're fat. You're grounded. Here, let me take this thing. Dad, are you okay? What just happened? Your dad. Oh no! Oh my gosh, he's dead. He's dead. Shit. Oh no! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What do I do? Oh my god! Come on, I need to hear this carefully. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wait, what is this? Ugh! What? Oh my gosh! Ooh, shiny.